Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify setup login with Memberstack for your no-code app step by step clearly. First, open your no-code app editor. Navigate to the location where you want to integrate Memberstack. Sign in to your Memberstack account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, click on the Create a New Project button. Follow the prompts to set up your project. Copy your Memberstack API key from the project settings. Return to your no-code app editor. Locate the integration settings in your app. Paste the API key into the appropriate field. Create a new login form within your app. Add input fields for email and password in the form. Include a submit button labeled login. Set up a function to handle the form submission. Use Memberstack's login method in the function. Pass the email and password values from the form. Handle potential errors in the login process. Display a message for successful or unsuccessful login attempts. Redirect users upon successful login to a members-only area. Test the login functionality in your app. Make any necessary adjustments based on testing results. Ensure that user session management is properly configured. Finally, review and finalize your setup in Memberstack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.